Hello po! Welcome back to my channel. Nandito po kami ngayon sa taas. Dapat sana patutulugin ko po sila, kaso hindi po sila natulog. Ang nangyari ay naglaro po sila. Ako po sana yung matutulog, pero habang patulog po ako, ito po ang nangyari sa kama po namin. May biglang tent pong ginawa itong dalawang bulili na ito. At ayan po, naggutom sila sa kakalaro. Kaya, ayan, nag-uunahan po. Pasensya na po kayo at magulang kwarto po namin. Dahil, kasi, playing area na rin po nila ito. Ayan, gumawa sila ng tent. Hinahanap ko po yung ipit ko. Pero ang ipit ko po ay nandirito na po. Itinali na po nila. Ayan. So, anong gagawin natin? Ipit sa baba. Ipit sa tent. Gagawin mo yung module mo, anak, ha? Diba? Gagawin po natin yung module po niya. Telling time by 5-minute interval. And then, Bernice, you will practice reading, ha? And then, after that, anong gagawin natin? We will play bubbles. You like your books? Ay, zero na nga. Oo, aayusin na lang natin. Ano na kung ko?
Red dot.
Oo. Pete paints a blue truck. Where's the blue truck? Oh, ayusin natin. Zero na. Oh! There! Oh, it's a blue truck. And Sally paints a red car. Where's the red car? Oops, careful. Nasira na. Wait po. Ay! Sira na. Wala na. Oh. Ayun. Oh, there. It's a red.
Dot.
Ay. Okay.
No, wait,
Ha? Next book, return, ha?
no.
I know, okay.
Wait.
Read pa. Careful, you might fall. Here, anak. Here, dito.
White dot.
Oh. I'm a princess.
White.
I'm a fairy.
Wait.
I'm a mermaid. Very good. What's this?
Horse.
Unicorn.
Uh,
The end.
this toy.
You like this? This one. Ayun, yun. Let's have the next one. Ay, dito ko lang ilagay. Okay. Here, anak.
Lion.
Rockstar. I'm a rockstar.
Monster.
I'm a monster. I'm,
Clown.
yes, clown. R. What's that? R. Pirate. Pirate ship. The end. Let's read naman with mama. Let's have this one.
No.
I know pa. You read books pa?
What?
Very good.
Ouch.
What do you see there? Lollipops.
Eat.
You like to eat lollipops?
Yes.
Gusto mo ng lollipop?
Yes.
Oh.
What?
Buntot?
This.
Ay, bundok. Bundok.
Ouch.
Bundok. Maraming lollipop sa bundok. What's this?
Don't
Volcano. Next.
Yes.
That one?
Yes. Right dance.
Princess.
Right dance.
Fairy. Like this, Nining, oh. Fairy. Like this. Oh, yes. Because we're going to study very special today. Wait. Okay. Stay still lang siya ganyan. Okay, look at our clock na ko. Look. How many hands do you see there? It's, how many hands do you see? We have how many hands? Russell, oh, you're not listening again. Listen na. How many hands do you see here? 3. We also have 3. This long hand, this is the second hand. This one, what hand is this? Minute hand. And this is the hour hand. Okay. Here. Look at mama. Mama, here. This is the second hand. This is the,
Minute hand.
and this is the, no, this one is our hand. The short hand is called the hour hand. Look, you look carefully. Look at that second hand. It moves, right? 1, 2. No, this one, you look at this. Ito yung tignan mo. Yan, it moves. If the second hand moves, like 1 second, 2 seconds, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds, 11, 12, 13. You get it? One complete turn of this second hand makes 1 minute. This one, this minute hand moves 1 minute. And one complete turn of the minute hand, one complete turn of this minute hand makes 1 hour. Did you understand? Okay. Now, I'll put this here at the side. Look, if this minute hand moves, anak, excuse me, look at the hands. The minute hand moves 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So, 1 means 5 minutes. Excuse me, pakibalik po doon. So, it's 5 ha. Ito, anak ko. Russell, eyes here. So, 5 minutes. Okay, let's continue. 1 means 5 minutes. Opo. Let's continue. Yes, of course. Excuse me. So, 5. Next, let's continue. Russell, let's continue. 5. So, 5 minutes. Oh, 5. Where's the minute hand? Where should it point? Where is 15 here? 15. There, oh. Where's the hour hand? 5, 15. Oh, how are you going to write that? It's like this, oh. Hands on your side. How are you going to write that? Look, oh. Hour hand. Where is the hour hand pointing? Number 5. So, it's 5. What are you going to put here? Oh, remember the 2 dots? 5. Minute hand. Where's minute hand pointing? 15. So, what's the time? 5. What's the time? 5. Okay. Let's have another one. I want you to show me 8:55. 8:55. Hour hand first. Hour hand muna. 8:55. Next minute hand. You look, where's 55? 55. Oh, you move there. There. So it's 8. Oh, so what's the time, anak ko? So what's the time? 8. Okay. How are you going to write 8:55? Look at mama. Okay. This is how you write 8:55. Oh, anak, 8:55. 8. What are you going to put here? So the time is 10. Huh? 10. 15. What about 8:20? Oh. Hour hand first. Move the hour hand first. Hour hand. 8. Point it at 8. Hour hand. 8. Is that 8? Is that 8? 8:20. Very good. So the time is 8:20. You write it, please. Opo. 8. 8. 8. Oh, sige, okay. 8. 2 dots. And then, where's the minute hand pointing? 20. Yes, of course. Dito, closer. Yan. 2. Okay. And 0. Very good. So, this is 8. Oh. No, it's only 8:20. Say 8:20. What's the time again? This one. 8. Okay. Sige, you play muna. You play with Bernice. You like to play with Dad? Sige.
Oh, I forgot.
Steering wheel.
Ay.
Papa, ano yan?
Hands.
steering wheel?
I like to drive a car. A big steering wheel. A big steering wheel. Oh, stop! You go back in there. 1, 2, 3, all aboard. All aboard.
You don't have a passenger.
What?
Wala kang passenger.
All aboard.
Sige na, you go na.
A bus is waiting for you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's go turn left.